11 best mind mapping software for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, we'll be exploring the 11 best mind mapping software options for beginners. Whether you're brainstorming, organizing ideas, or planning projects, these tools can help you visualize your thoughts in a clear, creative way. Let's jump right in with our countdown, kicking things off with number 11. At number 11, we have FreePlane. FreePlane is a free open source mind mapping tool that's great for getting started with visual brainstorming. Some of its standout features are it is free, no payment required, making it perfect for beginners on a budget. Also, it offers a customizable map, so you can easily modify maps to suit your style and needs. And some of its other standout features are simple interface with essential features and active community support. The only pullback I would say is limited advanced features compared to premium softwares, and the interface may look a bit outdated as you can see right here. And at number 10 we have XMind. XMind is another free open source mind mapping tool that emphasizes simplicity and ease of use. Some of its key features are lightweight and fast, quick to load and easy to navigate, basic structure as it is perfect for creating straightforward maps. Also, it is completely free with no hidden costs and a minimalistic design ideal for beginners. Some pullbacks are it lacks some modern features and integrations and also limited collaboration options. But it is perfect for beginners looking for a no-frills, straightforward tool to get started with mind mapping. At number 9, we have Bubble.us. Bubble.us is an online mind mapping tool designed to make brainstorming fun and intuitive. Some standout features are it is web-based, so no installation required. Work directly on your browser. It is also user-friendly, meaning they have a drag and drop functionality which makes mapping simple. Some other standout features are easy sharing and collaboration through links, visually engaging with colorful bubbles. The only pullbacks I would say is the free version has limited maps and export options, and it also lacks some advanced customization features, but it is good for beginners who need a simple, visually appealing tool for quick brainstorming sessions. And number 8 on our list is GitMind. GitMind is a free online mind mapping and brainstorming tool that's perfect for organizing ideas collaboratively. Some standout features are collaboration ready, meaning you can work with team members in real time. It also has templates available, so you can start quickly with a pre-built template. And it also has a modern, intuitive design and cloud-based for access anywhere. The only pullback is some features may require an upgrade and export options are a bit limited in the free version. But GitMind is perfect for beginners who want an attractive collaborative platform for mind mapping and idea sharing. And you can see, while you can get started for free, their monthly plan begins at $19, and if you were to go onto their annual plan, which I would recommend if you're going to use this platform, you would pay $5.75 per month. And at number 7 on our list, we have MindMop. MindMop is a web-based mind mapping tool that integrates seamlessly with Google Drive for easy sharing and saving. Some standout features are cloud integration, meaning you'll be able to save your maps directly to the cloud. It also offers easy sharing, so you can collaborate effortlessly with others. And it is free for maps up to a certain size, clean, intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. The only pullbacks I would say is the advanced features require a paid plan, and it also has limited offline functionality, but it is perfect for beginners who appreciate simplicity and the convenience of cloud storage. And number 6 on our list is Mindomo. Mindomo offers a blend of mind mapping with task management, providing a visually engaging way to organize ideas. Some of its standout features are integrated task management, meaning you'll be able to combine mapping with to-do lists, and multimedia support, so you can add images, links, and notes to your maps. Also, they offer a free basic version, and it also offers online and offline modes. The only pullbacks I would say is some features are locked behind a premium subscription, and there is a learning curve involved with more complex maps, but it is good for beginners who want to integrate project planning with mind mapping in a visually rich environment. And you can see right here that while you can get started for free, their premium plan begins at $5.50 per month, and it can go up to $16.50 per month. And number 5 on our list, we have Coggle. Coggle is an online collaborative mind mapping tool that helps simplify the brainstorming process with a clean, intuitive design. Some standout features are real-time collaboration, so you'll be able to work with others simultaneously, simple, elegant interface, so you can focus on ideas without distractions, and also a generous free plan for beginners, and easy sharing and export options. The only pullback I would say is limited advanced features in the free version, and it may feel too simple for power users, but it is perfect for beginners looking for a straightforward, visually appealing tool for brainstorming and collaboration. And you can get started for as low as $5 per month, and it can go up to $8 per month. And at number 4 on our list, we have SimpleMind. SimpleMind is a cross-platform mind mapping app that provides a balance of simplicity and powerful features. For example, their cross-platform availability, so you can use it on desktops and mobile devices, flexible layouts, so you can customize maps with various styles and themes, and also intuitive design tailored for beginners. And it also offers offline access for uninterrupted creativity. The only pullback is fewer collaboration options compared to web-based tools, and some advanced features required a paid version. But I would say that this is a good platform for beginners who want a robust yet simple tool to work across multiple devices. The next on our list is number 3, XMind. XMind is a powerful mind mapping software known for its rich features and user-friendly design, ideal for beginners and pros. Some standard features are a variety of templates. This allows you to start quickly with pre-built mind map structures, and also numerous export options, making it easy for you to share maps in various formats. It also offers a free version with plenty of tools for beginners, and it has a sleek, modern interface with advanced visualization. The only pullback is the premium features can be a bit pricey, but it is a good idea for beginners ready to explore more advanced functionality as they grow. And you can see right here, if we were to go onto their paid version, you can get started for $10 per month, and it can go up to $15 per month. And coming in at number 2, we have MindMeister. MindMeister is a cloud-based mind mapping tool designed for real-time collaboration and brainstorming. Some standard features are real-time collaboration, and it is making it perfect for teams and group projects. It is also mobile-friendly, so you can access and edit maps on the go. Also, its intuitive design makes it user-friendly even for complete beginners. It also integrates with other productivity tools. The only pullback is the free version is limited in the number of maps, and some advanced features are available only in higher tier plans. But it is ideal for beginners who want a powerful collaboration tool to share and refine their ideas. And you can see right here that you can get started for as low as $4.50 per month, and it can go up to $10.50 per month. And taking the number 1 spot on our list is Miro. Miro is a versatile online collaborative whiteboard that includes robust mind mapping features, making it our top pick for beginners. Some standout features are versatile workspace, meaning you'll be able to create mind maps alongside other visual collaboration tools. It also offers team collaboration, so it is ideal for brainstorming sessions and workshops. And it is extremely user-friendly with a drag-and-drop interface. And their free plan is perfect for beginners that just want to test out their platform, as it offers ample features for beginners. The only pullback I would say is it can be a bit overwhelming due to its extensive feature set, but it is perfect for beginners who want a dynamic all-in-one platform that grows with their creative and collaborative needs. And you can see right here that their pricing starts off at $8 per month per user, and it can go up to $16 per month. And that wraps up my list of the 11 best mind mapping software for beginners. Whether you're drawn to a no-cost option like XMind or a collaborative powerhouse like Miro, there's a tool here to help you visualize and organize your ideas. Which mind mapping tool will you try first? Let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.